Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Chaser. Today we'll talk about 5 predictions for Bitcoin, NFTs, and the future of money. Let's head into it. Cryptocurrency made many of the strangest headlines of 2021. Boosters touted digital currencies as a world-changing technology with the potential to create new economies and empower unbanked populations everywhere. Critics pointed to crypto's massive environmental footprint as well as its popularity in online crime. The chasms between these views will be hard to bridge. Much of the cryptocurrency industry functions as a hype monster, powered by oddball memes of cute dogs and outer space emoji. The same industry boasts a staggering amount of funding from venture capitalists and private enthusiasts, along with real technical innovation that could radically alter the way we interact with money. And as it often goes with innovation, what we get may not be what we expect. CNET asked experts to help us navigate crypto's journey to new lands in 2022. Here's what they told us. Number 1. Crypto moves further into the mainstream. Big companies are trying to figure out how cryptocurrency fits into their business. Everyone from hedge fund managers to Starbucks executives is making moves that could impact how we use digital money this year. When we hear about cryptocurrency in the headlines, it's often about Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk's tweets, overnight millionaires, expensive digital art, and hacks. Yet the larger, fundamental changes are often less flashy and attention-grabbing than whatever crypto hype machine dominates Twitter at any given moment. Number 2. NFTs create new ownership opportunities and remix old ones. NFT or non-fungible token is a buzzy term that many of us heard for the first time in 2021. A new way to determine ownership of a digital property using blockchain ledger, NFTs are increasingly popular in the art and collectible scenes. One of the most notable NFT collections of 2021 was called the Bored Ape Yacht Club, go figure. But the potential of NFTs go far beyond eccentric digital artwork. Some of America's biggest brands, including Nike, are already working on expanding the application on NFTs. But NFTs used in consumer products may only be the tip of the iceberg. How about using an NFT to prove you are you? The $85 billion video game industry may be one of the most fertile areas of potential for NFTs. Some of the largest studios are already experiencing with them. And with all of the talk surrounding the Metaverse and immersive 3D digital environment that's been proposed by Meta, Facebook, CEO Mark Zuckerberg, and other movers and shakers in the tech industry, NFTs could serve as a building blocks for a next-generation digital world. Number 3. Bigger hacks and bigger ransoms. Cryptocurrencies were used to facilitate millions of dollars of ransomware payments in 2021. That's because digital currencies include features that make them attractive to criminals. They're difficult to track, they're borderless, and once the payment goes through, it's nearly impossible to unwind. Greg and others expect decentralized finance, a nascent but blossoming industry on the cryptocurrency frontier, to be a popular target for cybercriminals in 2022. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, involves finances that work independently of a central authority of institution. Instead of relying on a bank or credit card network, people can connect directly with the DeFi products on a distributed network. Although the industry is still in its early days, DeFi is a fast-evolving, highly technical space with tremendous potential. As such, it's attracted a great deal of attention and investment, making it ripe for criminal activity. Number 4. You'll hear about stablecoins. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have grabbed headlines because of their volatility. You can become a billionaire or lose it all at the hyperspeed of the internet. But try buying a latte with Bitcoin, and that volatility can make things confusing fast. Enter stablecoins. This subcategory of cryptocurrency, which is tied to an underlying asset, mitigates much of that volatility. Stablecoins could play a vital role in turning cryptocurrency into something we can easily use to conduct the ordinary transactions of everyday life. Transferring assets more efficiently is one of the central values of stablecoin. This value is powerful for companies that need to move digital assets and cash quickly and efficiently. Number 5. New crypto rules appear on the horizon. Washington lawmakers sense that cryptocurrency is a big and important thing, but they are struggling perceptibly to understand it. It may only be a matter of time before crypto gets into series of twos moments from a hapless representative out of their element. But if industry leaders and elected officials can work together, regular cryptocurrency users and investors may benefit while environmental and security concerns are addressed. As the cryptocurrency industry grows, it will continue to shift in ways we can't yet imagine. But one thing is clear, crypto will be a part of our future. What do you think about the future of money? Tell us in the comments below. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it, hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen right now because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.